I just want to take a minute to welcome you to my Patreon group. You are now a member of my inner circle, and I look forward to working with you. Over the years, I've had the privilege of being a part of various groups which were all mutually beneficial to its members. This group is no exception. Here, my main goal is to help you become a more profitable option and stock trader. I do get a side benefit from you, though. I receive the benefit from interaction with you. As a stock and option trader, as well as a person, I always want to be getting better, and you help me do that, so thank you. Going back to when I was a boy, I was always taught by my parents that I should think of others and not just be self-centered. That's carried over into my adult life. I enjoy helping other good people begin or continue going down their road to financial freedom. It's my goal to provide a place where you can come to bounce ideas not only off me, but also off of each other. Now that you're a member of my inner circle, I'll do everything I can to make your decision to be here more than worthwhile. It's my goal to give you more than any cost you may incur by being a patron. I look forward to working with you and to playing a role in helping you reach your financial goals. Thank you for becoming a Patreon. Your support means the world to me. Happy investing, and we'll see you again soon.